I think with AI and just the way fraudsters and bad actors are getting a little more creative in how they're trying to trick you into paying the wrong person, we have to defend against that. And and especially in manufacturing, you guys have a lot to do, and being a licensed fraud fighter is usually not part of the job description. So looking for a way to have somebody or some company or some technology offload that has been something that I usually hear in the room. We process $500 billion each and every year, and that's fraud-free. That's a big statement to say. And the reason we are fraud-free, we take our security with extreme rigor. We make sure that we're vetting both payer and supplier, so we are a closed network. We're doing KYCs on the payer. We're doing verification checks on the vendor, over 300 data point security checks on the supplier constantly. So we're making sure both sides of the equation, payer and vendor, are being vetted, and we know that the dollars and the data are being passed fraud-free into its intended party.